Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol YRIV. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. It does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and just makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis on Tuesday, so that is where the green and red line annotations are coming from. First thing I'm going to do is just do some house cleaning and get rid of those lines up there. Yeah, those lines pertain. They're just not relevant right now. And from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing confusion because there's lines and clutter everywhere. So let's try to keep this as clean as possible. The first update, though, that does need to be done comes about based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance, and that is exactly what happened here today. So earlier on in the day, with the gap down, the price, closed down below the dollar. So at that point, you would expect it to act as resistance, and the price did get a very nice bounce. But then surprise, surprise, right there, the power of charts ended up acting as resistance. Don't get me wrong, I'm not saying the price can never get back above $1 again. I'm just saying it not exactly shocking to see that the price struggled right there at the dollar mark. And then the other point being that, yeah, again, it's not like that's impossible to be broken. But, according to the story now that's being told to us via the chart, apparently the price is really going to need to bring its A game if it's going to be able to not only break above $1, but stay up above it. So that is definitely the key and near-term level of resistance. As far as supports are concerned, the newest area of support, which it looks like it did a good job of holding, but I could be wrong. Let's see. Is this previous breakout point? So I guess almost. A little bit of space in there, but right around the 75, 74 cent area was a previous area of resistance. And again, as that rule states, when levels of resistance are broken, you expect them to act as support. So again, the power of charts, gap down, and surprise, surprise, look right where it found some support. So another little real life great example on how charts can work and be a benefit. Are they perfect? No, nothing is perfect, but sometimes people make it seem like charts are totally worthless. But no, charts definitely belong in any trader's tool belt. So 75 is going to be that near term level. And then just in case something crazy happens and 75 is not, cannot hold up, then the next key overall level would be that pink line down there, which on my chart denotes the famous 200 period moving average, currently valued at 58 cents. But all in all, good to see that the price stabilized here, got the bounce. So not just a question of can the price get back up above $1 or not. We'll see what happens. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.